traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I am definitely still very bullish. I still think there's a very good likelihood this is either going to go up and make a running flat wave C or possibly an expanding flat wave C. Either scenario, I think it's going to lead to a pretty big uptrend, so it's not too big of an important to really know the difference as of yet. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I think this weekly time frame is the end of a correction right here. I think that makes this a wave 1 of wave 3. I think this is a big WXY correction for wave 2 of wave 3. I personally think that we're already in this wave 3, and I think this is just going to keep on making higher highs, higher lows to either make that expanding or running flat ABC correction on the much higher time frames. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this first push up right here is a wave 1. I think this first of all is the end of a correction right here, the end of a wave 2. That makes this a wave 1. That makes this a wave 2. I still think we're in a wave 3, and I still see that the most likely place for a wave 3 to end is the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. So I'm definitely still very bullish. I think that there is a good chance that today it could start a correction, but I think it's just going to be a correction, a subdivision of a uptrend, and I still think that we are going to go up to probably around the 161.8 before we make a bigger correction for like the bigger wave 2. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, it does kind of make me think that this could go down, and I was actually looking at this as possibly being like a wave A, 3 waves up for a wave B, and maybe even going down for a wave C, making like an expanding flat ABC correction before it actually does continue the uptrend. I do think this is a pretty likely scenario, but you do have to realize that the trend is up on every other time frame, and until this at least goes down, breaks structure in a big way, there's actually a better chance that this may not even go down, and it may just make a nice little end of a correction on the sort of time frames, and it may just keep on trending up, making those higher highs and higher lows. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm really waiting to see how well it breaks below this structure. If it breaks below that structure and holds below there really well, then I think it probably would be a good time to start looking for shorts, because it probably would actually go down and make a wave C like I was just explaining on the 4 hour. This could be a wave A, this could be like an expanding flat wave B, and it could be going down for an expanding flat wave C. Now I would be very cautious about going short. I would have to see a nice break and hold below structure, because if it goes down and actually rejects structure and starts to push back up, it actually could just be another little ABC correction right here, A, B, and C, another end of correction, and another continuation of the uptrend. Based on all the higher time frames, we should primarily be looking for longs anyways, because every other higher time frame is in an uptrend. For me, the trend is my friend, and I personally am looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of this uptrend. If it breaks and holds, then fine, it's probably going to go down and make a wave C. If not, then continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of what I still think is a wave 3 of wave C on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here below, and don't forget to check out my membership program, which is at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.